What's going on, traders? I want to do something new. I want to go over my trading day. I kind of want to do this on a daily, just to kind of do a little quick recap of what I was thinking and my thought process. Real quick, I did not make any trades today. I will explain to you why in a minute, but there's no trades from me. So let's get into it. So I came in around 8 o'clock and I saw this huge downtrend working down. So I had it marked, and basically my thought process, I'll actually check the daily as well. So I see that we're pretty much really bearish on the day. So then automatically in my head, okay, well, I'm thinking, you know, going short to the downside, right? I wasn't really thinking to go long. So 8 o'clock started. I didn't see any trades here. It's all congestion. And you have basically a second entry short here. Your actually second entry short is actually right here. That's your signal bar. I did not take this trade because EMA is flat. Signal bar is not great. You could have taken it on this bar just because there's a lower high. But at the time, you probably had your trend maybe something like this, you know. You may be thinking, okay, break and a new low expected, so you could have traded like that. I didn't. It's, for me, it's just a little aggressive, that's all. You do have enough room to recent lows, so it is a good trade, but I just didn't take it. So you have price working down, so you kind of have two legs up, right? One here, here, so basically more than two legs. And you have this bar formed, and that should really change your trend line to basically what I have right now. And again, since I saw this, I'm still thinking, okay, we're still in a downtrend. This is pretty steep in my opinion. This is more like a 45-degree angle trend. Makes sense for me. So when I saw this bar right here, I created a channel, this channel. And what I'm thinking is, okay, I'm thinking either, again, lower highs or a second entry short or failure of second entry long. And that's what you have here. You know, new high, first entry long, second entry long, failure. So you would place your entry order one tick below this bar, and your stop loss will go one tick above this bar. And it's a nice little trade. It is a little bit away from the trend channel, but it is lower high and a failed second entry long. I did not take it because I didn't see it at the time. I wasn't paying attention to the chart at the moment. But it's a nice little trade. You get a nice little runner. So price never made it to the bottom of this channel and then reversed and went back up. You have a nice small short-term uptrend played out, break a new high. Again, you're still looking for second entry shorts or something like that. You do get a failed second entry long right here. It is aggressive for me. I didn't trade it. Again, it's kind of not at the key entry point. It is a big bearish bar though. And again, you going with overall, you know, context. You're not going against the trend. So nice quick scalp here. It is aggressive, but I like how it ticked, you know, higher above the EMA and then went back down straight. So a good trade, nice little scalp there. And then what I started noticing that the price never actually made back to this trend channel. So that's kind of telling me that something's about to change, right? So not necessarily looking for go long because we haven't had a break and new low yet. So I'm not looking for long. I'm just kind of back in my head thinking, okay, price might either reverse or kind of go into congestion or a range or something like that. So again, you have a small uptrend played out. Basically, you didn't get a new high here, but you know, it's good enough for me. And it is a lower high here, but for me, that's too far from EMA. And you're going short into recent lows. But you do eventually get a break and a new low. So once that played out, I'm thinking, okay, probably should go long. Now the first second entry long we have is here, and you know, I was thinking break and a new high should form, right? But I didn't take this trade just because it's very congested and it didn't close above the EMA. EMA is kind of flat. It's very aggressive, but what it did is it gave us this trend right here. So I drew my trend channel like this. I'm like, okay, so the price probably gonna go back to here. Got a new high, and again, I'm still looking for second entry longs or lower highs, or I'm sorry, yeah, higher lows. So we do get a nice little small downtrend channel. So we have a break and a new low, and right here is where I kind of got tilted because I already missed these 3 trades. Okay, maybe I'll just say these 2. Maybe not this one, but these 2 I missed them, and I was already like, okay. But then you have this trade, and this right here is in my opinion is a textbook trade, right? You have a break, new low played out. You have a break of this channel and new high expected, right? Nice second entry long, nice bullish signal bar, right? I placed my limit order and I did not get filled. What happened was the price took off, made the 4 tick scalp, and I already canceled my order after it made 4 tick scalp, and it came back down after I canceled my order and went back up again. And I was like, okay, great. So whatever. I was already kind of a little bit upset, and then I actually adjusted my channel just like this, and I like this better because you get a touch here, you get a touch here. So this is right here a textbook second entry long trade in my opinion. And then you have another one, pretty much same thing, repeat pattern. You have a downtrend channel played out, break, and a new low, and it is a little bit aggressive. It did break outside this channel. You expect a new high, and I like this because it's only 6 ticks. Now I didn't take this trade because I was on break, but it's a great, it's a 6 ticks. It's a low risk trade. It has the right context, and I think it's a great trade. If you take this, that's great. But I didn't take this because I was on break, so I didn't see it. Now we have a break and a new high played out, and right now you should be thinking, okay, maybe going short, or maybe just stay put and see what the price does. And that's what I did. But I did drew my line like this, and at the time it was like this, and we had a second entry short showing here, which is a failure. You could probably take this failure, but the reason I didn't take this failure is because, again, you're going you're going long into this resistance right here. That's why I didn't take it, but it would have worked. But I noticed I extended my resistance level, and I noticed that there's multiple tests, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So I wanted to go short. It's a nice little signal bar. Again, 6 ticks. I had my same thing. I had my limit order ready to go. 1 tick below this bar. The price just shoot down, made the scalp, and I canceled my order and went back down again, or back up again, and went back down again. And I was done at that point. I missed 2 good trades in my opinion, and I could have got a runner on this one too, and I was just done at that point. I was already tilted. It is what it is, it happens, but I didn't want to trade anymore. And you actually get a triple test here with a second entry long. So you have new high, first entry long, second entry long. The price is kind of in the range-ish, so you're not really looking for second entries, but it is a triple test with a nice little signal bar, which is at 7 ticks again. You might not have enough room to get out. It's only 1 point, but it's aggressive and I like it. But yeah, so that's my day. Again, I was just already mad, and I don't want to. History shows that when I get tilted, I lose. So I don't want to. I don't want to push it. But I hope you guys like this recap. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to do it, this week at the end of the day, just to see like my thought process and what I was thinking at the time. But if you like this, let me know. I hope you get a good trading day. I hope you get some winners. You guys stay safe, trade cautious, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.